Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and today we'll be opening 0708 Upper Deck Ice. Sorry, Series 2, not Ice. Just recorded the Ice video, so this video comes out before that, and I hope you enjoy the Ice one as well. Got a pretty cool card in it. So 0708 Series 2. What are we after? We're after literally just Jonathan Toews Young Guns. And maybe Tuukka Rask, but mostly just Jonathan Toews. You can get an Andre Pavlik in it and Devin Setoguchi, but that's about it. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So here are the packs. Got an advertisement for 0708 SPA, and we've got 24 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. Looking for that Jonathan Toews. We'll pop these packs out. One stack here. Got all 24 packs. So this video was a requested video. So I, of course, tried to get myself a box of 0708 Series 2 to hunt down the Toews rookie. So first pack, are the cards sticking together? Hopefully not. We have Nikolai Antropov, Coley Armstrong, Andrei Kostitsyn, Marek Zedlicki, a blank. Looks like we have a blank. 20th anniversary of Upper Deck card. Buy a 2008 Upper Deck and Fleer product and receive a hobby exclusive 20th anniversary pack. Incredible buyback card celebrating 20-year history. To find out more details, go to upgrade.com. This is definitely expired. Michael Handzus, Johan Franzen, Kevin Weeks, the victory rookie of Mark Stahl. Next pack. I believe Series 2 is a home of victory rookies. If I remember correctly, I did collect this set back in the day when I was a young kid. So Steven Reinprecht, I think I said that right. Wait, Tim Thomas, Slava Kozlov, Nico Kapanen, father of Kasperi Kapanen, Tim Gleason, Marty Turco, the Young Guns of, I can't even read that, Kent Huskins, Anaheim Ducks. A victory, Roman Hammerlick. Yeah, I believe victory is one of the insert sets in this set. So we have Tyler Arneson, King Henrik, Cam Ward, Willie Mitchell, Yannick Perreault, Scott Hartnell, Marcus Naslund, victory rookie of Yaroslav Hlinka. Next pack. So we have a Brent Sopel, Ryan Clough, Antoine Vermette, Taylor Pyatt, Simon Gagne, Damon Lankow, the Young Guns, Predators, Rich Peverley, not bad. We have a victory, Brian Rafalski, Rich Peverley, passed out on the bench at the Stars game a while ago. That's what I know him for, at least. Hopefully he's doing all right. So next pack. Got a Mike Comrie, Todd White, Nikolai Habibulin, Joe Pavelski. Ooh, we have a rookie materials of Matt Niskanen. That's not bad at all. Matt Niskanen, rookie materials. Ended up winning the cup with the Capitals. I believe he was traded to the Penguins the year after they won and was traded away the year before they won. So he had some rough luck before winning with Washington. The event used. Rookie materials, Matt Niskanen. Jordan Tutu. Jason Spezza. J.S. Jaguar. And Steve Wagner, rookie. Victory. Next pack. Ruslan Fedotenko. Year before he won the cup with Pittsburgh. Paul Ranger. Sergei Samsonov. Noah Welch. Simon Gamache. Alice Hemsky. Got an Ovechkin top pick. Insert. And we have a Nick Boynton. Victory. Ovechkin top pick insert. Yes, he was viewed by many as a can't-miss superstar entering the 2004 draft. He is definitely a superstar. One of the best, probably the best goal scorer of all time even. May not break the record, but for sure if he played in the 80s, he would have. Martin Rusinski. Philippe Boucher. Pierre-Marc Bouchard. Chris Drury. Robert Lang, Kimmo Timonen, Young Guns of Rod Pelly, New Jersey Devils. And we have a rookie. Oh, we have Andre Pavlik, Victory rookie, as well as the Young Guns. So that's 3 Young Guns down in this box. Hopefully we can get Jonathan Toews. Tuukka Rask would be nice too, but really would like that Jonathan Toews card. It would suit my Patrick Kane Young Guns quite nicely. So we got Aaron Miller. Feels like I have another thick card in here. Looks like it too. Lubomir Wisnowski. Matt Sundin. I think he's overrated. Chris Mason. Have a game jersey of Darcy Tucker. Authentic materials from the LEAFS. It is a game used card. Doesn't say, oh, official game. Solid. Have a Rick Nash. I actually have the jumbo card of this. Jumbo version of this card. Thomas Vokoun. Aaron Asham. And a Peter Sakura Victory. Next pack. We have Jason Blake, Chris Chelios, Scott Hannon, Kristen Huselius, Saku Koivu, Ethan Morrow, an insert of Hometown Heroes, Phil Kessel. Solid player too. Then we have, down, a Nick Backstrom Victory rookie. Another solid player. Both of Phil Kessel and Nick Backstrom should be Hall of Famers by the end of their careers. So we have in this pack a Mike Richards, Johan Holmquist, Dumo Rutu, Jonathan Chichu, another blank, Doug Waite, Bruno Gervais, Mark Parrish. We have Andrew Peters, victory. So in this pack, we've got Martin Straka, Martin Gerber, Garnet Exelby, Nick Boynton. I think I got another recent one. That's a cool picture. Pascal Leclerc. That's a really cool picture. Matt Green, the Young Guns of Mark Mathot. Not too bad. And we have a rookie of Torrey Mitchell. Mark Mathot, Young Guns. Torrey Mitchell. We are halfway through this pack. So to start off, we have Antero Niimaki, Victor Kozlov, Corey Sarich, Michael Roosevelt, Danny Briere, Bobby Lou, Ken Klee, and victory, Adrian O'Coin. Just gonna move these cards away. So I have some more space to put the next card. So, final pass. Have Nikolai Zerdev, Matthew Schneider, Jochen Hecht, Brian Rafalski, Danny Heatley, Andrew Peters, Hometown Heroes, Brad Richards, and Michael Nylander, the father of the son of the player who ruined the restricted free agent market. Apparently played only for the money, just like his son. Not surprising the apple doesn't fall far from that tree. Johnny Oduya, Roman Hammerlick, Roddick Bonk, Corey Perry, a blank, Vesa Toskala, Travis Moen, Curtis Foster, and a David Perron victory rookie. David Perron, Stanley Cup champion with the Blues too. Solid player. Okay, so Josh Georges, Christian Backman, Jose Theodore, Chris Newbury, Mark-Edward Vlasic. That's a left wing. Mark-Edward Vlasic, Ray Whitney. It is a Tanner Glass. And a Yuri Lettinen. Tanner Glass Young Guns. I don't think we're going to get any more Young Guns. I think that's 6. Oh, no, that's 5. Okay, we have one more potential Young Guns. I saw the red and was really hoping for that Chicago. So one more Young Guns potential. Hopefully more than one. Mike Van Ryan, Drew McGinley, Ladislav Nagy, Daniel Alfredson, Manny Fernandez, Joe Sakic, Steve Montador, and Andrew Cogliano, rookie, from victory. 8 packs to go. Yoni Pikkinen, Ryan Malone, Brandon Pochensky, Mike Modano, Tom Potey, Bill Guerin, the year before he went to Pittsburgh and won the Cup. Insert Stars in the Making, Brent Seabrook. Pretty good. He was a solid player. Rookie of Eric Johnson. Seabrook was integral to Chicago's 3 cups. It's unfortunate that he has declined so rapidly. All right, we got ourselves an Alex Ovechkin. Got a Marcus Nilsson, Colton Orr, Eric Stahl, a blank, Louis Eriksson, Marty St. Louis, Derek Morris, and a victory, Keith Tkachuk. You can see the familial lines there. Now, when you open old products, got Todd Bertuzzi, Wade, yeah. Ryan Suter, Marc-Andre Fleury, rocking those gold pads, loved them. Frederick Moden, the Young Guns, it looks orange. It's a flyer. So it's Steve Downey? Yeah, Steve Downey. Yeah, Steve Downey, Young Guns. He's all right. Sergei Samsonov victory. So Steve Downey, Young Guns. Hoping that's not the last one. 6 packs to go, last quarter. Got a Marian Gaborik, Frederick Sjöström, Marco Sturm, Keith Tkachuk, Patrice Bergeron, Craig Rivet, Michael Loulette, and a Peter Muller rookie from victory. Next pack. Got it. 3 to go after this. Andrew Ladd, Lucas Krajicek, I think, Philip Kuba, Chris Gratton, Mark Recchi, with Sid too. Dan Hamhuis, Matt Sundin, Clutch Performers, and Joni Pikkinen. 3 packs to go. I have a feeling that we're not going to get any more Young Guns. Matthias Norrstrom, Ryan Miller, Milan Hayduk, Joe Thornton, another blank, Martin Brodeur, Jason Chimera, Gino Malkin, and we have a Mike Weber victory rookie. 2 packs to go. Got ourselves Adam Foote, Henrik Zetterberg, the checklist of Evgeny Malkin. I have the Sidney Crosby version of this one. This one's number 450. Crosby was in the Series 1. And he was very similar to the 4 pictures in one card. Alexander Frolov, Donald Brashear, Brendan Shanahan, Stars in the Making, Alexander Radulov. Yeah, he's a decent player. Wasn't really a star. And we have Victor Kozlov. Final pack, hoping for the Young Guns. Have a Yuri Lettinen, Shane Doan, Patrick Eves, Brett McLean, blank. Ooh, got a card with that. Wojciech Wolski, Richard Zednick. Yep, his neck happened. Scott Gomez, and yeah, okay. Corey Murphy, rookie. So, we didn't hit Jonathan Taves or Tuukka Rask in this box. We did hit Steve Downey, Tanner Glass, Mark Mathot, Rod Pelly, Rich Peverley, and Kent. I still can't really read this. Huskins. And we got game jerseys of Darcy Tucker, Leafs legend, and Matt Niskanen. So that is it for today's video. Probably our hit of the box was the Matt Niskanen rookie material. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.